Today, I am going to teach you how to make simple shapes in one-point perspective. One-point perspective is a type of drawing created in 2D that uses one point in the distance from which everything in the drawing recedes to or comes from. When you are driving in a car on a straight road, you are seeing one-point perspective in real life. Things look smaller the further away they are. Artists have used one-point perspective for centuries to show depth in their paintings and drawings. Van Gogh's bedroom, Da Vinci's Last Supper, and Raphael's School of Athens are just some examples. We're going to start with simple shapes and vocabulary so that we can become expert one-point perspective artists. First, fold your paper in half horizontally or draw a line in the center for a horizon line. Draw a dot on the center of that line. It does not have to be the exact center, but should be close. That dot is your vanishing point. The vanishing point is going to be the most important part of drawing in one-point perspective. Everything you draw is going to connect back to that point in some way. We are going to practice drawing 3D shapes above and below the horizon line. Let's start above. Draw a square or a rectangle somewhere above your horizon line and to the left of the vanishing point. We will connect each point of that square or rectangle to the vanishing point. You must use a ruler. Line it up with a corner and draw the line to the vanishing point. Do this to all three sides. These lines that connect to the vanishing point are called orthogonal lines. Once you have your perfectly straight and connected orthogonal lines drawn, you are going to finish the shape. Decide how wide or thick you want your shape to be and draw lines connecting the orthogonal lines that are parallel with your original shape. Then you can erase the rest of the orthogonal lines. That wasn't so bad. Look, a floating rectangular prism. Next, I'm going to draw a triangle below my horizon line and to the right of my vanishing point. Again, I connect the points of the shape to my vanishing point to make orthogonal lines. This time, I only have one line to draw that connects my orthogonal lines and finishes the shape. Ta-da! Okay, those were all well and good because I had shapes with points, so I knew where to connect the vanishing point. But what about a circle? Draw a circle above the horizon line and to the right. This is a little tricky. Put your ruler to the very edge of the shape and connect it to the vanishing point. Do the same thing on the other side. When you connect the orthogonal lines to finish the shape, it has to be parallel to the original circle. So in this case, it has to be curved. Now I have a floating cylinder. You can literally make any shape, geometric or organic, and draw it in one-point perspective. A hexagon, a diamond, they all work the same. Now wait, this rectangle is going to be a little different. I am putting it directly below the vanishing point. Uh-oh, I only have two corners to connect to the vanishing point to make my orthogonal lines. If I connect the two bottom corners, they wouldn't show in a solid form. So I draw my horizontal line connecting the two orthogonal lines and erase, and voila, it still looks 3D. Remember how I said any shape would work, geometric or organic? All I had to do was connect the edges of the heart since there are no corners, just like I did to the circle. Then I draw my parallel lines and I have a heart in one-point perspective. When you have all the shapes you want, you can erase your horizon line, if you have one, and you can erase your vanishing point. Good job. Thanks for watching.